Okay, so we have a video to make a small balloon pacifier, and I know that the way that the videos were, it was really hard for a lot of you to see exactly how I was tying it all together. So this is just an update video to show y'all how it's all put together. Hopefully you can see it a lot clearer with this one. Okay, so I've already inflated everything because you already know all the sizes from the last video. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the 160, and we're going to take the two ends and we're going to tie those together. So I have the inflated part as close as possible to each other. And I just, you know, pull it through and get that one together. And then I take this end, put this onto here, and then go ahead and swap these out. And then I take these two knots and tie them as close together as possible. And what I do is I hold the flower back with one hand and I'll twist it around the other balloon with the other hand, so that way it keeps this flower free from getting tied up in it, so you don't have to go back and try to fix it. And then I just tie it the exact same way, being careful not to get it with the flower. And then I will trim off the excess to make it nice and neat. And then you just inflate . And I kind of squeeze it around a little bit just to make sure it's all even. And when I tie these, I'll put my fingers as close to the inflated part so I have as much neck as possible on this other side. And I just hold it there with my thumb, wrap it around my fingers, and then push the knot through. And at this point, what I do is I grab the knot with one hand and push it towards the balloon. That way there's no pinholes right here. And now it's all done.